I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take your makeup game to the next level with individual lash extensions. Imagine being able to achieve fluttery lashes from the comfort of your own home, saving both time and money compared to salon visits. Sound like a dream, right? Okay, before we get into the video, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification to know anytime I post a new video. So guys, I decided to do this one eye offline, and then so that the video will not be too long. So this is the lashes that I used. This technique is very simple. You just have to pay close attention to the video. Don't forget that DIY lash extensions are a game changer. Not only do they save you time and money, but they also deliver salon quality results right at home. So why not give it a try and elevate your beauty routine? So please watch the video to the end. Do not miss a part and pay close attention before you go and block your eyes. Okay guys, I will see you at the end of the video.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, king will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything. Come and take your
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow, flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord. Oh, change my
So guys, if you see the way I'm struggling with these lashes, you know that this lash extension is not like, it's not a play thing. It's not something that, oh, let me just do it for 5 minutes and go. As far as you're doing it at home, you have to take your time, because sometimes you'll be putting it will be falling off. Like, And if you're in a hurry, you just do rubbish. So it's better you calm down, take your time. In fact, if you know the way you book appointments, like I'm going to make my lashes next week, just book appointments at home and said, okay, today is Saturday, I'm going to do my lashes in the morning, right? Don't be in a hurry to go anywhere. You should calm down, okay? So that you don't go and put spark glue inside your eyes. Sorry, it's not spark glue, it's just lashes glue.
Your love is intimate, knows me fully and still closely holds. Your plan is intricate, weave together perfectly, it unfolds, and I need you each moment. Oh, that I would know the peace that you bestow deep down in my soul, in every moment, surrounded all alone. When all creation groans, I will sing of oh, friend, I wish you knew the measure of the love Jesus poured out for you. There's no end to what God can do. Come see it firsthand, His promises are true, and I need Him each moment. I have come to know the peace that He bestows deep down in my soul, in every moment, surrounded all alone. When all creation groans, I will sing of how could we hope for what is already seen? We ourselves grown inwardly, as eagerly we await to be adopted as God's children, redeemed. By this hope we have been saved, but who can praise God from the grave? So we will rise up on that day, glorifying your name above all names. I need Him each moment. I have come to know the peace that He bestows deep down in my soul, in every moment, surrounded all alone. When all creation groans, I will sing of
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl?